Hey guys, it's Rita. I am participating in a fairy garden challenge hosted by Denise Jordan, and her channel name is This and That with Denise Jordan. The requirements are, I believe, that we must include a fairy in our fairy garden. Other than that, I believe it's free reign. So I will link Denise's channel down below as well as the playlist, and please visit those channels so you can see what everyone came up with in the playlist, and also Denise's channel. She has a lot of information that I believe you would be interested in. So let's just get right to the fairy garden. Okay everyone, I'm actually recording this on June 10th, if you can believe that. I put this together and it's outside and my cats keep trying to get in it, so I thought I'd better go ahead and do the video and just save it for July. So to begin, I picked up a few things at Dollar Tree earlier this year, the little house and wishing well up there. I made the stairs with the tumbling tower game. I also picked up the little outhouse earlier this year at Dollar Tree. And the three little fairies that you will see, I picked them up about a week ago and I was lucky enough to find some. I made the little ladder with a dowel, and down below the blue marble rocks just represent the ocean, and the white sand, and there's another little fairy sitting on a log reading. In the middle layer we have some live succulents in there, and the other purple lavender that is faux. There's a little seat, another fairy, and as you can see, I made a rock pathway, but the cats got into that one. And at top we have the house, the wishing well, and another fairy. The green is sand, which represents the grass, and of course the white rocks represent a path. So I'll just let you take a look. I keep trying to zoom in and out to let you get all the detail. My cat keeps getting in the way. But yeah, I had a good time putting this together, and I hope you enjoy it. And I hope it inspires you to create your own fairy garden. I would like to thank Denise Jordan for hosting this challenge today. Please check out her channel. Her channel is linked below, as well as the playlist. You can check that out and see what all the other creators have come up with. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks to all my supporters. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you. Like, share, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.